For an easy prepared meal at home, I like to use frozen prepared stir-fry meals. These are easy to just add a little more meat to make 2 servings out of, or just 1 larger serving. For my purposes, being diabetic, I look for frozen meals that have little to no starches in them. Some, very small amounts of sugar will process faster than starches. So, I like some of Trader Joe's frozen stir-fries. This time I'm using their Trader Ming's Kung Pao chicken. And, I am adding 1 can of pulled pork. Instructions reads: heat 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil in a large non-stick skillet. I like to use my non-stick pot. I also like to use some of Trader Joe's toasted sesame oil. They say to add chicken and stir fry until warm and golden. In about 6 to 8 minutes add vegetables and continue to stir until they begin to soften and color. About 3 minutes. I like to use a lid to hold in the heat to quicken the heat time without over-frying the contents. Keep heat to medium. Once vegetables warm through, add sauce. But, I like to, as you see, add the peanuts when I add the vegetables. A note about the sauce. If you don't add extra meat, you can just use one of the sauce packets and save the other for a different meal. But, if you add the extra meat, I advise to use both sauce packets. Stir in first sauce packet and let warm and stir again. Then, a few moments later, add the second sauce packet and let warm, and stir until sauce thickens and sticks to the meat and vegetables like a caramelization. Once this is complete, you are ready to dish and eat. If you were cooking for 1 person, half the content should be enough. But, if you are really hungry, you can serve the whole amount to eat. This can also make for a good prepper's meal. When you go through your frozen meals, after the fresh ones, you can use a propane camp stove for this meal prep. Or, maybe over a proper rocket stove or campfire setting.